Alrighty, good morning. Friday, December 20th already. Holy cow. We're going to be washing in the shop today here. Nice, warm, heated shop. And I'll show you what we're going to be doing here in a little bit. What we're doing is we are going to be washing that. The 825, the 2013 825. So we're gonna wash it up. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna see if we got a shorter end for this wand, so that oh, you know what? That don't come apart there like I thought it does. Like the one over at the work other place. Yeah, that don't come apart. What I do is, I got the bed up, I'm gonna wash all this out first, get it all nice and clean, go around with the light, trouble light, make sure everything's all nice and clean. Then I'll work my way up front, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get very much of the underneath. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Thing's got air in it. Come on, get the air out of it. Well, it wants to get the air out of it. There it goes. Now we're back to business. Don't know why that's doing that. Okay, so we're going to try this pump sprayer again. Remember last time I wound up breaking it. I think that's good enough. Wound up breaking it last time on my 835 when I was washing it. The suction end came right off of it. And it broke, so make sure everything gets all soaked really good to keep pumping this thing up. Which I'm not sure if this is the right means of washing with the pump or dispensing soap with a pump sprayer, but it works for us. Put the bed down now, and we'll give it at the back end a good soaping and a rinsing and another rinse, a soap, and another rinse. This thing is just clean. We'll let it pull it up ahead some. Actually, we'll spin it around and let it dry. in the heated shop here. But yeah, I can't get this thing any cleaner. Well, actually I could. Yeah, gosh darn it. Uh-oh. 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 Well, for the most part it's clean. It's not 100%, but it's better than it was. Now wait a minute. Didn't we just wash this thing a second ago? What the heck? I must be seeing things. What? I don't know. No. This one's got different gauges. What the heck? Same exact machine as the other one, same exact everything. So yeah. I figured that while I'm washing that other gator, I might as well be in the mood to wash this one as well. I don't know, just they brought my other gator back yesterday, and I was looking at it. I'm like, man, you know, this thing is 100% spotless. You know, why can't I take better care of my 835? That's exactly what I'm going to start doing. Take and wash all the soap off the bed. Make it all nice and clean again. Well, that one there looks as clean or better as this one. So I'm gonna back this thing up here and let it dry. You always gotta wait for the fuel pump. And you always gotta wait for the 825s to get below 1300 before you can shift, or else they don't shift worth a darn at that high RPM. All goes down to the drain, the end of the shop there. Well, they're both clean. They're drying right now underneath the heater. Could use waxed. Actually, they both could. I don't have a darn clue how to wax. This one was better taken care of than that one. I don't know. Both the same identical machine, other than this one's got a wiper on it, and the gauges are different. The netting, we took it off because we didn't want to fool with it. But same bed, same tires, same everything. So now you wouldn't think that this is the same gator that I had a week ago when it was all covered in mud and everything. But believe it or not, it is the same gator. And the thing that makes me mad is I tried my hardest to clean this, and Cope Farm Equipment outdid me. if that's what I want to say. They outdid me on cleaning this. I don't know. The delivery guy, he told me all they used was Armor All, and I mean, there's not a speck of dirt in this cab. I'm like, holy cow. They took my radio out to I guess clean it even farther, but I think they put everything back just like it should be. I mean, yeah, couldn't ask for a better job. The only thing was, when he backed it out of the trailer, the antenna fell off, and then this was rusted up on. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this back in or not. I don't know. I'm going to put my hitch back in or not. But for right now, it works in the bed, and I'll just keep it there until I find a better mounting solution for the roof. He suggested Velcro on the roof. Get a piece of Velcro and stick up there on the top of the cab right there where this tape is. Maybe I can just go over top of the tape, put me some Velcro there, and just be done with it. Something a little more sturdy. But yeah, I can't complain one bit about their wash job. It's excellent. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.